year ago, we didn't think we would be here because with Palmer being in the hospital, but because of the services from Oshai and Kaleida, here we are, and we're celebrating him along with all the staff and all the other babies that are in the NICU.
So Sophia was born at Suburban on Friday, December 16th. Everyone really took the time to talk to us about what was happening, and that was really the most helpful part in both labor and delivery and mother-baby. Thank you so much to everybody who donates and supports Kaleida. Our experience at the hospital was great because of all of that. Sophia's doing great, and we know that it's because of all the work that they do behind the scenes to help everybody there and support the hospital.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't want to cry, I'm sorry. Palmer and my whole entire family, we wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for charity events like this to raise money and everything going towards the babies and the mothers and the families. So we completely appreciate it, and you'll see us here again every year.